Hello, in this video I'm going to go through how to use a lead gate as a trigger for Simplebooklet on Zapier. So first we want to be logged into our Simplebooklet account and in our dashboard, which is this page right over here. And once you've decided which Simplebooklet you want to work with, go ahead and click the Design tab right over here. Once you're in the Design tab, on the left hand, you'll see a panel of options. You'll want to go down and click Pop-ups. Click Lead Gate Pop-up. And then fill out the information in here and select which items you'd like to collect. For instance, email address and name. And once you're done, you can go ahead and click Save on the bottom right corner. And after you've clicked Save, you'll want to head over to Zapier so we can create the Zap. So in Zapier, you'll want to click Create Zap on the top left corner, and then search for Simplebooklet. And in the App and Event section, for the Event drop-down menu, you'll want to select Simplebooklet Activity Notification. Click Continue. And if you're already signed in, you can go ahead and click Continue. Otherwise, it will prompt you to sign into your Simplebooklet account. So in the Trigger section, you can click the Simplebooklet Event drop-down menu and select the event that you want to work with. So in our case, we want to work with LeadGate, so I'll go ahead and click LeadGate. And then in this Simplebooklet drop-down menu, you'll select the specific Simplebooklet you want to work with, or you can select all Simplebooklets. But I'm going to select this first one over here, and then click Continue. And then in the Test section, you can go ahead and click Test Trigger. And then click Continue. And then for the second part of choosing your action, you can choose any platform to work with. I'm going to go ahead and click Microsoft Teams. And I'll do Send Chat Message. And click Continue. It'll prompt you to sign in, and once you've done so, you can click Continue. So in the Action section, for the Chat drop-down menu, you can choose your chat. And for the message text, I'm going to include the title and business name. Once you've filled out those fields, you can go ahead and click Continue, and then click Test Action. And once you've done so, you can go ahead and click Publish at the bottom right here, and then click Publish and Turn On. And there you go. That is how you set up a lead gate as a trigger for Simplebooklet on Zapier.